Hi, my name is Eva Norris. I am the founder of Amped Home Solutions Group. And today we're going to be talking about loan modification. And I have here with you guys Dr. Troy and Rosemary that's going to be telling you a little bit more about loan modification. But first of all, I would like to ask you, Dr. Troy and Rosemary, tell me a little bit about yourselves and the reason why you joined Amped Home Solutions.
Sure. And so I'm a dentist. I've been practicing in the Sugar Land, Houston area for 27 years. And after Hurricane Harvey that hit here in Houston, we realized that a lot of patients, a lot of people had trouble making their mortgage payments, having trouble with their mortgage payments. And so we wanted to use our wisdom and our compassion and our purpose to help people. And so we were always investors, we were homeowners, and so we decided that joining Amped Home Solutions was a way to be able to reach out to more people and to broaden our area of expert and show people our expertise and to help people.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so go ahead, tell us about loan modification. What is loan modification to start with?
Sure. A loan modification is a way for your lender in order to avoid foreclosure, your lender will take a look at your circumstances. If you're going through a difficult time, such as a bankruptcy, a loss of your job, a death in the family, a medical illness, and you're having difficulty making your payment, your mortgage lender wants to work with you. And so they will offer you a loan modification, which means oftentimes, when you go through a difficult circumstance like that, you get behind in your mortgage payments. And so what your lender will do is they will recalculate your mortgage loan based on your how many payments that you've missed, any late fees or penalties, any interest. They will look at that and they will re-amortize your mortgage over possibly another 30-year term, which will make your payment a little bit more affordable than what you're currently facing, or they will tack on that amount to the end of your mortgage to allow you to continue making your current payment. And that is to avoid foreclosure and to help you stay in your home, because ultimately your lender does not want to foreclose on your home. They want to help you stay in your home when you're facing these extenuating circumstances.
That's a very good point, Rosemary. So I also noticed that a lot of homeowners, when they face foreclosure, they miss their payments, sometimes they're afraid to talk to the lender. But I believe that the best option to do is to just go ahead and talk to them immediately. Even if you lose the first payment, talk to them and tell the situation. They want to help you, don't you think?
Yes, that's correct. The sooner the better. You call them and you explain your circumstances to them, and they'll get you to a department specifically trained to help people in your situation. And so the sooner you talk to them, the better chances you have of getting approved and getting back on track.
And what the homeowners need to qualify for loan modification?
Yes, that's a good question. And so first of all, you'll need to explain to your lender your extenuating circumstances. And so you just write a heartfelt letter about your circumstances. And also they're going to need some backup documentation. They'll want your pay stubs, your bank statements, your financial records, even a copy of your budget, how much cable bill you pay, how many vehicles you have. They just really need a synopsis of what your financial situation is currently. And so they'll request certain documents, and it differs for every situation.
Okay. So, and what is the likelihood of the loan modification being approved? What's the statistics out there?
Well, sadly to say, 80% of those that apply do not qualify, and so they're ineligible. So 20% of the people do happen to qualify, but also you need to know that after 3 months of a loan modification, 30% of those people are in default again for one reason or another, and after 8 months, it jumps up to 60% that are back in the default.
Yeah.
So although loan modification is a great option, it's definitely it takes time, and it requires a lot of work between you and your lender to get qualified. So the quicker you apply for this loan modification, the sooner you'll know if you qualify and what steps are to be taken.
Yeah, absolutely. So another thing is when you apply for loan modification, that is not the only thing you have to do, right? So you have to have a backup plan, because in case it fails, you have a backup plan. So what do you suggest?
Yes, there's many options to avoid foreclosure, and loan modification is just one of them. But please give us a call and talk to us about your needs and about your circumstance, and let us provide some insight for you. Let us share with you our knowledge and our wisdom and our compassion, because we really do want to help you, and we want to help you work with your lender. And so please just reach out to Amped Home Solutions so we can evaluate your individual unique circumstances.
Fantastic. That's absolutely great. Thank you so very much for your time, Dr. Troy and Rosemary. Thank you so much. And please reach out to us. We are here to help you guys. Just click in the link below. We can meet with you one-on-one and go over your circumstances and help you. So please talk to us. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.